Yeah, what do you say we get it back in your room and maybe give it a fix?
You! Why were you sleeping in my bed?
I wasn't sleeping in your bed. Ow!
You lying whore.
Why don't you take a nap or something before dinner? Don't hit!
Whore! Did you soil my sheets again?
It's almost time for your shower, Sylvia.
Fuck off.
I've got it.
Thank you for your patience.
It's okay, John.
Aren't they lovely?
Thanks, buddy.
I don't know what happened.
Did you ask the big question
Yes.
at the restaurant?
Yes.
You and your father. Listen, forget about the rules. Life is much easier without them.
Well, I mean, what is romance? Is it real? Is it?
I think so.
I guess you're right.
I think I'm right.
It was Harris, you know. He was always losing things.
Do I look like a piggy bank?
Pardon?
What is this? You expect me to watch you count this? You know what, Granny? Just go. Yeah, go. Get out. Go.